I've handled toys a few times with it. Ooh, yeah, these
Hi,
wheels on it. I
everybody.
wanted to check to see if these were actually like.
I'm going to be recording. You might not see my face, but you'll see the toy. Or,
Isn't it? It's hard. It's never know because there's been so many but sometimes they're back black and sometimes not. It's just says China on the inside.
this is what the toy looks like
I like how it's got like
and everything in the car.
and then this one is really cool.
It says it changes colors,
Using a pile.
but I'm not going to show that on YouTube.
I'll let you.
I took it out of the package.
Thank you very much. Sorry, my son is a clone trooper now. Did you join the Empire when I had my back turned? Oh, you did a good job. Get over here for a second. So we kind of
That's what it looks like. You can see the toy car,
it's like a minifig of
From-
Walmart. But this is the one spelled.
cars, and that. And then you can see the color
Is that what you want?
blue,
You think that's what you're gonna get?
and that's what it looks
That
like.
is what you want? Okay. Well,
This is a changing color car.
awesome. Thank you.
It goes in water, but I just don't feel like showing it yet. Maybe next video I'll show it next time. Maybe next time.
Raphael.
Alright, either way, this is what the car looks like detail.
Donnie.
It zooms.
$80 for the dwarf Donnie.
That's what it looks like either way.
Already, which is great. But that's
That's what it looks like either way.
It's one of my favorites. As I said, just if there's anything else.
Here's the toy. And I'm going to take that out. This is different cars for it.
Oh, there's a sumo guy. Missing his hand, they're always missing the face on and he's still $200. He's one of the big ones. I want to get my little sumo. I don't have either of those. Yeah.
There's the details and colors you can see on the car. You can see that. Details and that stuff from cars. There you go. It rolls. Either way, that's what it looks like. That details and that stuff. And color of the cars. Either way. These are the two cars I got. These two. You can see them. See, these two cars I got. That's what it looks like, these two I got. Either way,
Look at this. I definitely think
that's all I can tell you. Before I go, thumbs up the video and subscribe for more. I have to get going. Bye, and leave a comment. I have to get going. Bye bye.
Accessories. Oh yeah. Oh, so this one's from the 2012 era right here, the lawnmower looking one.